Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. It comes to us with a leak from many spots. We repaired that, we fixed the leak, it was needs tune-up, so we replaced the group head gasket, the shower screen, and we descaled the machine, clean up the steam wand, and it was also have an issue with the grinder. It was clogged, unclogged it, repaired it, and we fix it again. So let's go ahead and I forget to tell about the water pump. The water pump in this machine was like not working, and it's really old. It's since 2014. So it was like this is from the leak, the corrosion here, can't tell. So let's go ahead and make an espresso shot on it. This is great. Great espresso shot with the crema. It works perfect. So testing the steamer. It takes a little bit until it gets steaming. The steamer works perfect too. So that's all. Thank you for watching.